just rolled one coat. It is looking amazing, I have to say. The color choice, it really makes the walls, the white cabinets just like pop. I love this color. I've used it inside the house a couple of times for some feature walls. Yeah, it's looking fantastic. I'm just running a couple of errands now, letting this flash off quickly, and then I'm going to roll another coat as well. So yeah, it's going to look amazing.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money.
Now that we've finished painting the walls, we're going to start on the flooring. First step is to clean up all of the mess that was left behind from moving everything out, and then we'll start unboxing all of the tiles.
You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. Yeah. You take a picture of us kissing in cars. It makes my day 10 times better. Yeah. Playing like children and love like orange rain. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my way.
So what are we doing? You're putting the flat bit on and both flat bits in the connector bits. Yeah. So we've got the flooring down. It is looking awesome. We need to do some cuts along that edge there just to get it to go right up against the wall. Next up, we are going to be putting insulated paneling on the garage door.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
we are finished, mostly. So we've got the flooring down, edges are all trimmed up and cut to size. I wanted to take a quick pan around before I started filling it with shit, because like any garage, it still needs to be a garage, but it'll have all my detailing gear in it, set up for detailing. So insulated paneling up, we've got aircon going in a few weeks time, so we're going to be cruising, very comfortable. So if you have a look, I've got a full 400 by 400 there, it goes right along the wall, then it gets to here. This is the last 400 by 400, then I've got a little strip here which I think is about just under 90, because I needed to cut 310. You can see all the shit that I ended up putting back in here with all of this crap. This here is a 310 section. So we've got wall to wall, right the way around. And I've got that little leading edge with a little ramp down, right to the coping. I'm going to epoxy this bit here anyway, this bit that goes right out to the front pavers. Alright, after the maiden voyage, I broke one of the panels behind me, by the way, installing it. You won't see that in the video that I've just edited together before, but I did, and it fell out. Anyway, getting a new one. The first car that I did was a Lexus IS200. It turned out amazing, of course, but just having the right space makes a huge amount of difference. It's cool, it's a bit more of a controlled environment. You can see a little bit better because you're not contending with shadows and stuff that, I don't know, clutter, things like that, especially when you're trying to find the finer details and really pick out you know, what's a defect and what's not. So look, I'm ranting a little bit and some people will get it, but having the right workspace makes a huge difference. We've got a JZX 100 chaser in here at the moment. Still a heap of stuff in the background there that I need to build some shelving or something like that for, but like I said earlier on, I needed to get it going so I could actually start to use it. Had some clients backing up to say, look, you know, we want to try and get this stuff done, so you know, let's just get it sorted. Still waiting on the AC to be installed, but you know, it's still a pleasant place to be. The house aircon filters through in here anyway, so you know, here we are. As you can tell behind me, the chaser came up mint. So it's yeah, the factory 69N, factory manual, factory sunroof, etc. All of the cool stuff. It's got some cool stuff under the bonnet, Tomei turbo and things like that. But yeah, look, the new workspace, I love it. I had the garage door closed all day yesterday and it was something like 30, mid-30s outside. I was quite pleasantly pleasant in here. It wasn't ridiculously hot or anything like that. So yeah, it just makes the whole experience of detailing, especially with this flooring, so it controls dust and any water and anything like that. You're not kicking it around. So awesome idea, great investment. The color scheme that actually, you know, dark colors are probably better in a detailer's garage because you can see defects more with your lighting. There's a rhyme for the reason. So, but hey, look, it works. Turns out great. I've done a couple of cars in here now, the Lexus and this JZX. Yeah, no, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to see more detailing videos, I'm happy to do them. Yeah, just let me know in the comments what you want to see. Any specific focus on paint correction or decontamination process or swell reduction, gloss enhancement, things like that. Let me know and see what we can do.